Welcome to my channel. Today we talk about microeconomics. First year economics short questions. Number 1. State the main points of Professor Marshall definition of economics. Number 2. Define law of demand and law of supply. Number 3. Define economics. Describe the practical advantages of the study of economics. Number 4. Explain the relation between average cost and marginal cost. Number 5. Mention the degree of elasticity of demand and also define cross elasticity, point elasticity, arc elasticity of demand. Number 6. Describe the law of diminishing marginal utility and law of equimarginal utility. Number 7. Write the assumptions and exceptions of the law of diminishing marginal utility. Number 8. Explain the rise and fall in demand and explain the expansion and contraction in quantity demand. Number 9. What is meant by perfect competition and also define the characteristics of perfect competition. Number 10. Define production. Name the factors of production. Number 11. Describe the relation between total revenue TR, average revenue AR, and marginal revenue MR in perfect competition. Number 12. State the silent features of Robbins' definition of economics. Number 13. Describe the relative importance of the factors of production and what are the advantages of large scale production. Number 14. State the law of cost and law of return. Number 15. Describe the relation between marginal utility MU and total utility TU with the help of a diagram. Number 16. Define marginal productive theory. Next is differences. Difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Difference between demand and supply. Difference between changing demand and changing quantity demand. Difference between stock and supply. Difference between fixed cost and variable cost. Difference between monopoly and monopolistic competition. This is 6 differences and 16 important short questions. Microeconomics long question guess paper. Question 1. State Marshall definition of economics. Discuss its merits and demerits. Question 2. Economics is the study of scarcity and choice. Critically examine this definition of economics of Robbins. Question number 3. State, explain Professor Robbins and Professor Marshall definition of economics and compare which of the two is better and why. Number 4. State the law of demand and explain with the help of schedule and a diagram. Also write its assumptions and exceptions. Question 5. Explain the law of supply with the help of a schedule and a diagram. Also describe the assumptions of the law. Number 6. Explain the law of diminishing marginal utility with the help of a schedule and a diagram. Number 7. Explain the law of diminishing marginal return with the help of a schedule and a diagram. Question 1. Define national income and explain the various concepts of national income. Number 2. Define national income. Explain any one method of measuring national income. Number 3. Define the term money. Describe the function of money. Number 4. Explain quantity theory of money and write its assumptions. Number 5. Define trade cycle and explain all its stages with the help of sketch. Number 6. Critically explain the comparative cost theory of international trade. Number 7. Distinguish between balance of trade and balance of payment. How can unfavorable balance of payment become favorable? Number 1. Define national income. Mention the difficulties in measuring the national income of a country. Number 2. Explain national income at market price and national income at factor cost. Number 3. Distinguish between gross national product GNP and net national product NNP. Number 4. Define money. List the characteristics of good money. Number 5. State the difficulties of barter system and how did money remove the problem of barter system. Number 6. How is the national income of a country measured under total production method? Number 7. Distinguish between gross national product GNP and gross domestic product GDP. Number 8. Why is the study of national income essential for us? Why national income calculate? Number 9. What is meant by inflation? State the main causes of inflation. Number 10. Define trade cycle and business cycle. Number 11. Name 4 phases of business cycle and describe any one. Number 12. Name the 4 canons of taxation given by Adam Smith. Describe any one of them. Number 13. Difference between balance of trade and balance of payment. Number 14, difference between zakat and tax. Number 15, difference between direct tax and indirect tax. Number 16, difference between public finance and private finance. Number 17, define budget and write the types of budget. Number 18, write the types of taxes. Number 19, write the advantages and disadvantages of international trade. Number 20, write the main sources of public revenue and federal government revenue. Number 21, write down the economic significance of zakat. Number 22, describe the various types of money and paper money. Number 23, state the function of money. How does the decreasing value of money affect the different segment of society? Number 24, distinguish between personal income and personal disposable income. Number 25, difference between nominal wages and real wages. Number 26, difference between domestic trade and international trade.